Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about how to execute a shell command using Runtime.exec in Java. If you are new here, make sure you click to that subscribe button, and all the links to everything we have mentioned in this video can be found in the description box below. Let's jump into it. The first thing we will need to do is to create a Java project. The name of our project will be execute shell command runtime.exec because we'll be using the runtime.exec function. Finish. No. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to add a class into our project, and in that class, that's where we will add the line of codes that will execute our shell command. So our class will be called execute shell command runtime.exec, and here we can start. So the first thing we need to do is to add a main method, public static void main. Now let's add our try block and create a process using the get runtime function. The only argument we need to provide here is going to be the shell command we are trying to execute. And for this tutorial, we will try to list all the directories in our home folder. So ls-l, and we provide that home folder symbol. So the next thing is to add a catch block. So the try always comes with at least one catch block. And after our command will be a reader, and also a new input stream reader. And the argument will be our process.getInputStream. So in order to show the result line by line, we need to add a string that we can call line, and then we are going to read the data we get into our reader line by line. Line equal reader.readLine is not empty, it's not null. What we will do, we will append that line to our output string builder, new line. So, and also we can run into some error, so we want to be able to get the error code and also print a message to the user. So in case it's a 0, what we will do, we will print a success, and we will print the whole output to the user. System.out.println, and we print out the output. We need to catch that exception as well, interrupted exception, and the only thing we need to do is just to print it out in .print stack trace. Okay, coming back to our code, exit 0. Now in case of an error happening during the execution, we just want to print a message to the console. Maybe something like something abnormal has happened, so that the user can investigate. Yeah, so that's all we need to execute the shell command using runtime.exec. Let's run our program, and we can see that here we have the list of all the directories that we have in our home folder. We can also execute another command. In this case, it will be a trace route to a google.com server, and it is supposed to list all the IP addresses and the router traversed by our packet from our source, which is our computer, to the Google server. So, and here we have it. So if you go through this, you can see exactly all the routers that were in the path to your google.com server. Thanks guys for watching this tutorial, and the code can be found on our website. The link will be available in the description box below. So here you have two implementations to list the directories and to execute a trace route to a google.com server. So feel free to copy and execute it on your personal computer. Thank you again for watching this tutorial.